We are glad to have a privilege to discuss reservation in today's context. As we are going to discuss reservation in today's context, I, Sweetie Ajmera, wants to take an initiative to give a direct overview of what reservation is all about. We live in a free country and this freedom is a gift of democracy to us. Our constitution gives us right to freedom in an equitable manner. India being a developing nation currently facing many challenges and reservation system being one of them. The major question that lies in front of us is whether implementing this reservation system has really helped the downtrodden or backward classes. Policy of uplifting downtrodden and backward classes is not at all wrong. But the way it is being attempted and introduced in our country is definitely grossly in error and creates injustice among the different sections of the society. Reservation is a form of quota based on affirmative action. In simple words, reservation is providing an quota or providing a seat to the people who really need it.
गरीबी जाति देखकर नहीं आती, फिर आरक्षण जाति के आधार पर क्यों?
Yes, does our fate lies in the hand of reservation?
No, it's not. Reservation form of quota based on affirmative action. Reservation in simple meaning for a high standard of living to a particular caste. In today's countries, we see many reservations. ST, SC, handicapped people, ladies. So some people get the right which they can't earn.
Then why reservation is based on caste? Isn't it wrong?
Reservation is not at all wrong. It is good, but not the way it is presented in India. For once, if I agree with you, then what about the division it creates among the people and the society? Isn't it similar to internal partition?
People say you should not discriminate on the basis of caste. Yes, I agree, we should not, and we are not doing it. Article 16, subsection 4 of Constitution of India lays down that reservation should be made for any backward class citizen, and this article does not contain word caste but talks about class.
Reservation is introduced for the equal progress of the society and not for the partition.
No, I don't agree with you. It is continuously building walls against different categories of people, whether it is based on gender, caste or religion.
Exactly. Many capable candidates are to be denied opportunities simply because of shortage of seats.
No, friend. It is not like that 50.5% are reserved for forward classes.
Then what about rich people with reservation? They are living luxurious life and still using the amenities, and they still enroll themselves for reservation. Isn't it wrong?
But because of those 5 or 6% of people, you cannot ignore the rest of the people who are low income and low caste.
It's not about those 5 or 6%. Our country divides our population socially and economically into various categories like rich income upper caste, lower income upper caste, rich income lower caste, lower income lower caste. Then what about lower income upper caste? Isn't it wrong and isn't it unfair with them? They are not getting any opportunities.
It's not like that. There are various categories who remain being backward just because they are belongs from the scheduled caste or something. We should be with the help of reservation. We are providing them an opportunity to flourish themselves.
Then why politicians or even Supreme Court of India accepted reservation?
My friend, the backward class peoples are used to be treated as untouchables, and that is wrong.
See, politicians even use reservation as their vote banks to fulfill their vote banks.
But reservation is necessary for politics.
And it divides the whole Indian society on the name of caste or religion.
Reservation on the basis of caste and not on the basis of condition is wrong and unacceptable by the society. Even we are not going to accept it.
Reservation is a good politics, but it's a bad policy.
Reservation is the necessity for Indian politics, and if you are talking about caste divisions, reservation is made because of this caste system. It is a method introduced to remove this caste system from the society.
The intention of reservation was to remove the backwardness of the
Exactly, it started by Gujars, followed by Jats. Communities were only puppets. It's all positions' fault.
This is the recent scenario, but reservation was introduced earlier, and the earlier scenario was the peoples are not getting opportunities.
Reservation was made to make people to bring equality in all the sections. It was not made to bring discrimination between categories, between caste, gender, religion. It's wrong. Reservation should be made of.
I agree with my friend. I would like to enlighten you. According to the Article 16 and Clause 1, there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matter relating to opportunity or employment in any office under the state. There shall be equality.
Exactly, that is I'm saying. Reservation is made for the equality between the forward class people and the backward class people.
Okay, once if we agree with you, then what about reservation and promotion? Reservation should be there, I agree. But reservation and promotion is wrong. One employee is getting opportunity in any organization just because of reservation, but he is getting opportunity in promotions too. Whether he is capable or not, he is getting opportunity.
It's not like that.
Then what's like that?
Okay, if you are you agreeing with me that the richer peoples in India are getting richer day by day and the poor peoples are getting poor day by day? Do you
Yes.
agree or not? It's true, right?
Yes.
And just because of this, reservation is introduced to pulling the poor peoples.
No doubt reservation is necessary, but don't you think it's wrong, like it is implementing wrongly? Reservation should be based on class, not on caste.
Well, according to me, it should be based on talent or economic conditions.
That's what we are saying. Do we need talent or reservation to build our country?
Definitely, we need talent to build our country.
We need talent instead of reservation to improve our standard of our country. बिकॉज सोसाइटी में अभी भी बैकवर्ड क्लासेस को अनटचेबल समझते हैं, उनको सोसाइटी में ग्रो नहीं करने देते ताकि वो फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सके.
If that's the case, then what about a general class who don't get much opportunity?
Listen, it's not like that general class is not getting opportunities. The quota that is divided in the ratio of 50.5% and 49.5%, and the backward class is sharing that ratio in the sections like ST, SC or other scheduled castes. But the general class is using the 50.5% wholly.
Similarly, the general class is also sharing such percentage with lot of other categories. If that's the case, then what about the in education sector? The general class is not given any opportunity because of the backward class.
Yes, education free all, ban all private coaching institute. Education is the future of, not make it business.
Ma'am, reservation is there only where it is required and needed. There is no any reservation in fashion industry or a modeling industry or a tour and travelism. Reservation is only there where people really needs reservation, because our country is still a developing country. To make it developed country, we need to improve the living standard of people. We need to give them education.
Exactly, and don't you think that you are just looking at the darker side of reservation? Can't you see that with the help of reservation, various peoples are getting education, employment, they're living their livelihood, and they can earn the respect and reputation that they should earn and they deserve.
But poor people are already in general category also. If you are saying कि backward classes को जो उसमें poor people हैं जिनको financially condition उनकी strong नहीं है, उनको reservation मिलना चाहिए. तो general category में भी poor people हैं, उनको reservation मिल रहा है. Do they get reservation?
Exactly, they are not getting any reservation or any category, any opportunity for any field.
The Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, recently introduced one reservation provision that the loans should be sanctioned to the backward classes, including the females. So the general category females are also getting an opportunity.
It doesn't particularly indicate that they are for general category ladies. It's for every lady.
Exactly, they are not dividing it.
But what about the general people? What about the male people?
Exactly, it's a good initiative taken by him, but don't you think poor, lower income category or general category, it is unfair for them?
Okay, and don't you think that it is unfair with those people who are treated as untouchables, who are not getting opportunity just because they belong from a scheduled caste?
Exactly, we need to bring equality amongst all the sections. Then only we can develop our country.
I think we don't need to bring equality. We need to bring justice with equality.
Most often only the economically sound people only get use of the most of the seats reserved in the reservation.
you're saying the same thing again and again. I'm telling that reservation is made for not for dividing the people. It is just a measure introduced to bring equality in all the sections.
वही तो इक्वालिटी नहीं हो रही है.
Yeah, actually, it is dividing our sections, our different sections of society. It is creating.
The position of the women in the backward class has become very miserable. They were exploited by
The present scenario, at least in the section of higher education and job market, many has taken a bad shape.
Because of reservation, married students are reallocating themselves to foreign countries because they don't get opportunity here.
But there are various married candidates who used to shift themselves on their own choice.
They don't have any choice, they have to.
It's not like that.
It is like that.
हमारे देश की एकता और अखंडता, इसका नाम सम्मान है, पर आरक्षण की आग में आज जल रहा हिंदुस्तान है. पक्ष और विपक्ष के दाव पेचों के बीच राजनीति का एक खुला मैदान है. आरक्षण के इस उलझे खेल में आज बट रहा हिंदुस्तान है, आज बट रहा हिंदुस्तान.